Bitcoin is bouncing from support right now, but while this is happening, I will be discussing the most important charts of support and resistance for Bitcoin right now, because right now I have set up a new Bitcoin trade order, and in this exact video I will be talking about my next Bitcoin trade. I will talk about my forecast right now for the price action of Bitcoin and much more important stuff. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. It's going to be a very important one because I will also give a brief update on the Bitcoin dominance, whether we're going to have a Bitcoin season or whether we're going to have an altcoin season. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. I hope we can smash it back above 600 again. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And first of all, on that 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, you can clearly see that we are right now having a significant movement towards the upside, and that we're actually running in towards this red box of resistance that in the past also created significant resistance. And once we broke above it, we had a significant rally towards the upside, and Bitcoin even touched the $31,000 after we broke above that level. So currently we are retesting very important resistance. Yesterday we discussed it. We were creating a bullish divergence, and like I told everyone, we were to have a small relief rally. And actually, like I've been saying in yesterday's video, I said as soon as we do break above that 27.8k, what I was expected to get broken, since we were creating that bullish divergence, the next price target is going to be 28.7k. And 28.7k is basically the exact range high here on the top side. And you can see also on this resistance chart, really this level right here provided significant resistance in the past, and every single time we retested it, we basically saw a rejection. And at the moment we broke above it, that was the point Bitcoin really went exponential. So right now we had another retest, we saw a small rejection, but unfortunately my trade order didn't get filled up because I set up an order on 28.7k to open up a small short position on Bitcoin. Unfortunately, my trade position has not been filled yet, and maybe it's not going to get filled at all. But currently, that is the level where I actually want to be shorting Bitcoin, because I do believe that this is going to be an important level for Bitcoin to be breaking above, and I don't think that Bitcoin will be breaking above this level that easily. We can currently see that with my trade, I'm opening up a trade of an approximately $250,000. This is not my $1 million trade that I talked about, because my next $1 million trade I will be opening will be a trade that I will open from the bottom, and I just don't think that Bitcoin has found its short-term bottom yet so far. I think that this is a small movement towards the upside as relief. We can see here on the 12-hour time frame, we're bouncing from that 12-hour support I've been talking about, and like I've said, if we, however, what happens, break below this support level right here, the next target is 24.6k, but currently we're bouncing from it, and really the resistance to break in this case is of course 28.7k. If we break above this red box of resistance, we're confirming a break back above it, and that could lead to, of course, more higher price action for Bitcoin, but that is really the question that remains to be answered, so we have to be a little bit more patient for that one. So looking then at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we can of course see that the VPVR almost no volume traded between $24,000 and $27,000, what means that if we break below support, we could fall through it very quickly. And also what I quickly still want to say is that on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we're still creating an ascending broadening wedge. What is the typical bearish bias Bitcoin pattern? So make sure to pay attention towards this pattern right here, because it's extremely important to be watching it. And what I think is the most important thing to watch is of course the support. We have to wait and see to see if we can break below support or if we hold above support, because if we break below support, that is the point where I will be seeing a confirmation for a potential break lower. If you want to be trading this retest right here, if you want to be trading the retest just like I will be doing as well, don't forget to check out Bybit, because Bybit allows you to trade Bitcoin, altcoins, and cryptocurrencies with leverage. So yeah, make sure to sign up an account using the link in the description right now, because if you sign up an account using the link in the description, you can claim a $30,000 deposit bonus instead of only a deposit bonus of $4,000 without using this link. So it's definitely a win-win scenario. Furthermore, we can actually see that on the 3-day time frame, the MACD is still crossing barriers for Bitcoin, but of course this isn't necessarily a very big deal. And on the weekly time frame, of course, I'm still anticipating that we're going to get a retest of the inverse head and shoulders. And if you're looking closely towards the daily time frame right now, I remove all the drawings. There could be a scenario that Bitcoin is actually going to create a head and shoulders right here, right? So we're going to create that left shoulder, we're going to create the head, and right now we have that second relief phase where we will be creating a lower high, and that will be extremely dangerous if we're going to see such kind of a structure. So make sure to pay attention. If we break above this very important red box of resistance, then probably we're going to see a further continuation up. But if not, and we're going to see a rejection from this level, we come down towards the neckline, we could be creating an important and dangerous head and shoulders pattern for Bitcoin. So of course, this is pure speculation. We do not know what is going to be happening necessarily, but of course, if we see that rejection from this level, this could be a scenario that is going to be playing out. And of course, if we're going to create such kind of a head and shoulders, the Bitcoin price target could be all the way down to $24,000. Where is my main buy target? And I won't stop saying this. I still think that the best range to be opening up a Bitcoin long trade and with the lowest risk is around this region right here that I'm currently drawing at. So also a quick update on altcoins, because yeah, Bitcoin is bouncing and altcoins are bouncing as well, but altcoins are not bouncing as hard as Bitcoin as well. Ethereum is not bouncing as hard as Bitcoin. So we can currently see that the Bitcoin dominance is once again moving back towards the upside. And if the Bitcoin dominance breaks above the red box of resistance, we will be confirming a break above this very important resistance range, what will confirm the breakout for the Bitcoin dominance, what means that Bitcoin is probably going to rally further and altcoins are not necessarily going to have a real nice rally. And if I really will be looking at my next resistance, it's going to be around this box right here, somewhere around 51 to 52%, and that is where I really think the Bitcoin dominance could come in at. And that is also really the point where probably things are going to stall, and that is maybe going to be a good time to buy altcoins again. Of course, it's still a scenario that Bitcoin sees a big rejection and altcoins are going to spike, but of course, for that to happen, we just have to wait and see how it's going to be playing out. But if we confirm the breakout, I definitely wouldn't be buying altcoins at that point. I should still be a little bit more cautious. But of course, the higher the Bitcoin dominance will be trading, the more it will be worth it to actually start to be buying altcoins, because the potential upside is going to be significantly higher. So make sure to pay attention towards that here. But anyways, this was it for me in today's update video. It was once again a short update video. Not a lot of stuff is happening. I discussed the most important support and resistance levels, and this is really where I should be looking at. These are the levels to look at. If we see a rejection from this level, the next support below us is 27.8k. Of course, I'm going to short exactly that top side of resistance around 28.7k. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now, because then you will be exactly staying up to date about what I will be doing next with my trade. But anyways, this was it for me in today's update video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.